morning, judges. Today, I am proud to present Kit Bus Bus, a low-cost, high-impact innovation designed to advance SDG 4, which is Equality in Education, and SDG 10, Reduce Inequalities. In our rural classrooms, we are proving that technology doesn't need to be expensive or transformative, but it has to be inclusive. We often talk about the global education gap, but the reality for many students begins with a small phonetic barrier like a distinguishing Malay vowel sounds. This local barrier isn't just an academic struggle, it is a manifestation of the systemic gap. When students lack parental support or one-on-one with a teacher, they are being left behind. This is a direct violation of the promise to reduce inequalities. Our innovation supports SDG 4 by utilizing multisensory self-directed learning. By combining tactile scent tracing, visual cues, and auditory feedback, we provide students with the independence to practice without the constant need for teacher supervision. We are shifting from teacher-dependent learning to an empowered student-led environment. Our methodology is built on two pillars that ensure equitable participation. The first one, which is the cognitive and kinesthetic track, ensures that diverse learning styles are accommodated, fulfilling the SDG goal of inclusive education. And the second one, which is the behavioral and emotional track, builds the literacy confidence required for students to remain in the school system and succeed. We have achieved significant academic gains for our learners. Crucially, our total development cost is only 59 ringgit Malaysia or roughly 12 US dollar. This is the definition of frugal innovation, proving that SDG aligned solutions are accessible to rural, under-resourced schools across the globe. To see the real-world impact of these goals in action, let's listen to those directly empowered by this innovation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Encik Akmal Adli daripada SK Pendidikan Nasaruddin, PPD Perak Tengah. Saya merupakan pegawai perkhidmatan pendidikan yang telah berpengalaman selama 10 tahun dalam pendidikan. Saya berpendapat inovasi Kit Bus Bus ini sangat sesuai digunakan terutamanya untuk murid-murid yang terlibat dengan pemulihan, murid-murid yang terlibat dengan intervensi, khususnya untuk meningkatkan tahap penguasaan bahasa Melayu, tak kiralah sama ada di peringkat sekolah kebangsaan maupun sekolah jenis kebangsaan. Saya berpendapat inovasi Kit Bus Bus ini selain daripada bahasa Melayu, ianya sesuai juga untuk digunakan dalam subjek bahasa Inggeris dan pendidikan Islam. Sebagai guru pendidikan Islam, saya merasakan bahawa inovasi Kit Bus Bus ini juga sesuai untuk dijalankan kepada murid-murid yang lemah, utamanya di dalam penguasaan jawi di dalam pendidikan Islam. Baik, antara kelebihan Kit Bus Bus yang saya lihat, murid-murid boleh melakukan atau menjalankan aktiviti ini dengan secara kendiri dan murid-murid tidak perlu menunggu bimbingan guru. secara berterusan. Okay, harapan saya agar inovasi kit bas-bas ini boleh disebarluaskan kepada murid-murid yang berada di sekolah kebangsaan, malah sesuai juga untuk digunakan untuk murid-murid yang berada di peringkat sekolah menengah, terutamanya kepada murid-murid yang berada di peringkat peralihan.
Ekor. Cherry. So.
This isn't just for literacy. Our bus pedagogical framework is scalable. It is being adapted for scientific vocabulary and historical recall, demonstrating how a singular low-cost model can address multiple educational needs and contribute to the long-term success of students everywhere. We conclude with the core principle of the 2030 Agenda. No child is left behind. Small, affordable innovations, when aligned with the UN SDGs, create the massive, lasting impacts required to transform learners' future. Thank you for your support in advancing inclusive, equitable education for all.